Welcome back to Tasty Bites, your go-to channel for delicious and healthy recipes. In today's episode, we have an amazing drink that can help you shed those extra pounds. Get ready to indulge in our refreshing and slimming cucumber ginger lime pineapple peel drink. Let's get started. Before we dive into the recipe, let's take a look at the incredible benefits of each ingredient we'll be using. Cucumber. Known for its high water content, cucumbers are low in calories and can aid in weight loss. They also provide essential nutrients and hydration, making them a perfect addition to our drink. Ginger. This zesty root has a myriad of health benefits, including aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. It can also boost metabolism and help suppress appetite, making it a powerful ingredient for our weight loss drink. Lemon. Bursting with vitamin C and antioxidants, lemons are renowned for their immune-boosting properties and their ability to aid in detoxification. By incorporating lemons into our drink, we fortify our bodies with essential nutrients, supporting a robust immune system and assisting in the natural detoxification processes. Furthermore, lemons infuse our elixir with a zesty tang that invigorates the senses, while their hydrating qualities ensure that our bodies stay refreshed and replenished. Pineapple peels. Did you know that the peels of a pineapple hold a treasure trove of nutrients? They contain enzymes that aid digestion and help break down fats. By incorporating pineapple peels, we make the most of this tropical fruit's weight loss properties. Now, let's jump into the preparation of our secret potion of transformation. Begin by placing the pineapple peels into a pot and adding 4 cups of water. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil. Boiling the pineapple peels allows the nutrients to infuse into the water, creating a flavorful and healthful base for our drink. Once the liquid has boiled, strain it and allow it to cool down. While the pineapple peel water is cooling, let's move on to the rest of the ingredients. Place the cucumber slices, ginger slices, and pineapple into a blender. Blend the ingredients until they form a smooth consistency. Once the mixture is blended, it's time to add the juice of 2 fresh lemons. Mix the lemon juice into the blended mixture, ensuring all the flavors are combined. And voila! Our refreshing and slimming secret potion of transformation drink is now ready. Remember, you can enjoy this delicious drink twice a day. Start your morning with a glass on an empty stomach and have another glass before bed. Stay hydrated, boost your metabolism, and support your weight loss journey with this incredible drink. If you found this recipe inspiring and delightful, we would be thrilled if you showed your appreciation with a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tasty Bites for an abundance of nutritious and mouthwatering recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. Remember, your well-being is our top priority. Stay committed to your health goals, embrace a balanced lifestyle, and continue to explore the endless possibilities of culinary delights. We're here to support you on your journey to staying healthy and happy. Thank you for joining us today. Stay healthy and happy. Cheers!